Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. It's been a while. You've probably been wondering, where's Andrew been for the past 3 weeks? Well, I've been in the jungle looking for the most elusive of creatures, the washing machine.
Join me on this adventure.
I'd love to share with you so much about washers. This was very tough for me to find out, but we feed washers extremely poorly. Do you think you could eat and drink bleach and detergent and work 24/7? I know I can't. Next time, when you're going to use the washing machine, slip them a banana or maybe a packet of pudding. Speaking of pudding, we need to talk about the people that be putting quarters in the washers at laundromats. These washers don't actually make that money. They have pimps that go around every night taking what the washers make that day. It's not right, and it needs to stop. Next time you're at the laundromat, please give the washers a 20 under the table. I've seen all this because I've done all this. I went undercover as a washing machine, and I met so many wonderful people. I'll introduce you to them. This is Jerome. Wait, never mind, that's Jerome. Wait, no, those are ducks. This is Jerome. Jerome's dad is the prince of Nigeria, but he got kidnapped by terrorists, and Jerome needed 20K to help save his life. So, like the man I am, I gave him my life savings. Good luck, Jerome. This is Phil. Phil's a great guy, but his wife, she's a hustler, a tart, a hussy, a streetwalker, a no-good harlot, a rhyme heel, a strumpet, doxy, troll, sloven, scrubber, slag, slapper, tramp, skank, and a chippy. She's a stinky laundromat urinal tower. Every day she gets defiled by men and women in hopes of letting loose. And that's downright nasty.
The next part of production had to be canceled due to an incident that happened at the laundromat. Phil, an extremely smart dude, ended up finding out that I was not a washer. And so, to keep the secret safe, my producer afterward hit Phil with his car. If you need any proof, this is my producer's mugshot.
That's all I have for you today. But just remember, in the words of Charles Darwin, rinse, wash, dry. Stay fresh, my guy.
I'm talking at it, I'm talking away from it. I'm talking at it, I'm talking away from it. I'm talking at it, I'm talking away from it.